Hi friends, this is Velu Arumugam. I tried to do this once I got stuck. I had a lot of time spent and difficulties until I learned the procedures. That's why I thought of making this video to make it easy for everyone who wants to learn this. It so happened once I looked at my son, he was trying to do it and he was struggling a lot. Then I told him, give me, I will make it and give you. I never done this before, I did not know also what is this. So I took it from him, I was trying to do and it took hours and hours, I could not do anything. And finally I told him, you go and sleep, tonight I'll make it ready, tomorrow you'll have it in your hand. Then that night I sat long, late night and tried to do, but I could not do it. Then I decided I must learn no matter what it is. Then when I referred and I identified the procedures, and it's not that difficult, the rocket science, and that's what I want. That's what made me to do this, to help anyone and everyone. We no need to be great to do this. It's not a rocket science. I want anyone, everyone see this, to understand, learn this and do it in first attempt itself. That's my idea. So I'm not here to teach how fast we can do to get awards and records or something like that. I'm not keen on that, but I wanted to show how to solve this easily without any difficulties in first attempt itself for anybody, anyone who wants to solve this. Okay. Now I reshuffle it fully. This already solved one, and this cubic I reshuffle fully. Yes. Then we'll start from there. Yes, okay. Now with this we'll start. The first thing that we need to do when we want to solve this is we need to see the yellow. There are three types of pieces here. One, we see the centerpiece, okay, which will have only one color, the centerpiece. Then we have the edges, which will have two colors. Then we have corner pieces, which will have three colors. Okay, these three keep in mind. Now, first and foremost thing that we have to do to start is keep the yellow on the top. Keep the yellow on the top. Opposite yellow, it will be white. Okay, that will be below. Yellow is on the top. Now, what we need to do is the four edges. This is called edge. This is called corner. This is centerpiece. These four edges we need to ensure will have white color. Now, already one white is there. To bring white here and here, what we need to do? We need to look at the white that is there either here or here. Only in these edges. Any other place white is there, we cannot bring here. Okay, keep that in mind. We need here, and that should be either here or here. Okay. Now look at anywhere this white is there. No, we don't have any other white here. What we can do here is, see, if you look at down, there is one white. This is much easier now. So if you just rotate fully like this white will come here. See here? Yes. Now this white has come. Other than this rotating fully, we need to have white either here or here, this edge, to bring on the top. Now here one white is there. How to bring this either here or there? Now what we do? We do one rotation like this. So it comes to this edge, middle row, middle layer. When it comes here, and we need to bring here. So how we can bring it here? Just rotate like this, and it has come here. Now if you rotate, this will come on the top. See here. Yes. Now we got here also the white, and we need one more white here. Now again this white is here, we need to bring here. What we need to do? Just rotate. Now it has come to this edge. Now what we do? Again one rotation like this. Then you do it, this rotation. Then it has come here. It's very simple. Just little bit of application of mind, you will be able to do this. Once this is done, now what we need to do here is see the color that is there with the white. See the color that is there with the white. Now if you see here, it's a blue color. Now what we need to do, we need to match this blue color with the center color. Now it's green. This side is red and this side is orange. That means blue should be the other side. Rotate fully. Yes. Now it has come here. It is matching. After this color matches, you rotate fully upside down. Yes. Now the white has gone down. Okay. Similarly, come to this side. This piece already matching the center color, red. So what you do? Rotate this fully upside down. The white has gone down. Now you come to this color. This is orange, this is green. We need to match this with the centerpiece. What you do, the orange is here, rotate this side, then rotate upside down, it will go down. That white has gone down. Then you come to this piece, this is green, we need to match with the centerpiece. If this side is red and this side is orange, that means this green will be that side. Rotate fully. Yes. Now this is matching with the centerpiece. Rotate upside down. Now if you look at, this is plus. We are not focusing on the edges, we are focusing only on this edges. We are not focusing on the corners, we are focusing only on the edges, matching with the center. Now this is done. Now what we need to do is, next step is, we need to fill these edges. We need to fill these edges. Keep the cubic like this only, always the white down and yellow on the top. This is a firm position, keep this in mind. This should not change any time. To see what is there here and all, sometimes you may turn and again you need to come back to the same position. This position we need to maintain throughout. Okay. Now after doing this, now what we will do, we look at, to bring white here, we need to look at the white, where are the whites. If white is there the side, in the edges, the top layer edges, then we can bring. Anywhere white, anywhere else cannot be brought here. The white must be there either this side or this side, this side or this side, or any in the corner in the side. Then we can bring it down. Now let's see this white. This white is here. Now what we need to do is, we need to ensure this color matches with the center color. Now if you look at here, the center color is green, this color is green. Here one white is there. This we can bring down. Now what is the procedure we need to follow is, we will do only one set of right moves. That is this side, bring it back and bring it back. That's it. That's all. Now see what I am doing. I rotate this side and this side, and bring it back and bring it back. The white which was here has gone down. Now let's see this white. The color is red here. We need to match with the center color. Where is the red? Here also no red. Here also no red. That means red is that side. Now what you do? Rotate fully. Yes. It is matching with the red. Now where is the white? White is this side. Now what we need to do, if the white is this side, we need to do one set of left side moves. See here? Bring it back. That's it. It has gone down. Next we see other whites. One is on the top. There is one white here. Now what we can do is, just rotate this side, because we need to bring this white to this corner, any of those top layer corner. Only then we can bring it down. What we can do is, we can rotate like this, then turn like this. This should go back. Okay, this should go back. When you do that, automatically that white has come here on the top. Now when white is here, we can take that to down. Now what we need to do, we need to match this color with the center color. Where is the center color matching? This side. This side is green, this is green. Rotate this side. Okay. Now matching, but white is, so far white we had left side, now white is right side. If it is right side, what we need to do? We need to do one set of right side moves. See here. Bring it back and bring it back. That white has gone down. Next, one more white is required. That white is here. And again this has to come any of the corners on the top, in the top layer. Only then we can bring down. So what you do is, rotate it up and rotate one more like this. And when you bring this back down, automatically it will come this side. Please watch. Yes. We brought it all in the same position, white, and white also here. Now when this is here, we can easily bring it down. Now what we need to do, we need to see this side color. It is already matching, orange. Now what you have to do, white is right side. We need to do one set of right side moves. See here. Back. See my dear friends, now all the white is solved, one white side is solved. And what is beauty here is, when you see the white, one white is solved, white side is solved, you will see one layer is also completed. The lower layer is completed. This is tutorial 1, and please practice it to master this level, solving this white and automatically this, and we'll see in the next tutorial part 2 to learn how to do the second layer. Okay, please practice, and let's meet in the second tutorial video for solving this layer 2. Hi my dear friends, hope you have learned fully this layer 1 and this white. Now this is tutorial part 2. Here we will be learning this middle layer of